The intention of this channel is to publish the view for Bank Nifty and give the results of trades executed in sensible virtual trading so that one can practice and become a profitable trader. Let us take a look at the results of today's trade. I exited all my positions around 2:30 and I ended up with this much profit in the portfolio. Actually, I was not able to continue the trading for today. I had to go out, that's why I exited all my positions. But after that the market crashed in the evening. If I was there, probably I could have made some more money. I missed the opportunity to short. Now let us take a look at the charts and the open interest data to see how the market might move tomorrow. But since the fall is due to the fundamental reasons, so it may continue the fall tomorrow or consolidate a bit and then decide according to the news flow. Okay. Because according to the charts, it has broken all the key support levels and it is trading around the next level of support, which is around 29,000. So let us take a look at the open interest data and further make our analysis. Here there is very good addition of open interest starting from 30,000 levels. So according to this, maybe for this week it is difficult for index to cross this level or close above this level, and the next level of support is visible around 29,000. So we have to wait and watch how the data is changing. But based on the daily range and prediction, today's change violated the normal rules, that is the normal trend. It will be generally between 300 and 400 points or up to a maximum of 800 points. But since today's fall is due to the fundamental news, it has fallen more than 1000 points, or actually it has fallen 1400 points. The day's range is around 1400. So we have to wait and watch how the market moves tomorrow. My view is that it might continue its fall or consolidate around these levels for some more time, but even then it will maintain this around 400 to 600 points move. Always hedge your positions against swift down moves due to any unforeseen reason or profit booking. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel. With